afternoon everyone. You are all welcome for in-house training program in the campus of GS Community School. And today for the in-house training program, the today's topic is artificial intelligence. And for artificial intelligence, our resource person, Soni Chandan sir, and artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Many of our organizations and industries we have seen they program the machine and the machines work automatically and they create such as suppose that in mechanical engineering system we see they create a CNC programming system. On that, the machine automatically they cut, they have it cutting, learning, and training, setting, all these things will be happen automatically. So many of the field, artificial intelligence is a very important component because all the world are on going to the robotic system. They are creating such a work in easy process. So I would like to call here for delivering artificial intelligence one of our resource person, Soni Chandan sir, PCP, and I would like to welcome him to come and we will get all the things about artificial intelligence from him.
Good morning to all and all. On behalf of JS Community School, today I would like to welcome you all in an in-house training program. And for that, today's topic is artificial intelligence. Myself, Soni Chandan, PGT in JS Community School, would be briefing the topic artificial intelligence. Now, starting with what is artificial intelligence? First of all, we have to make a clarification like AI. We have very been aware of this AI that it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the civil task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but artificial does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Now, what is that? What is the meaning of the whole content? Actually, these artificial intelligence, first we have to make clarification there. It is a combination of two words. Artificial and the second part is intelligence. From where the name artificial came. Artificial means the thing that is being designed or framed by a human brain. One is natural, that is God-made, and the next one is man-made, that is called artificial, that is called non-living programming. And the second part is intelligence. Now, intelligence means the part of brain that whenever thing is being created and a topic like when suppose that we are going to make one robot. Definitely it works on the basis of its own mind, but when the robot has the technology and is having the ability to think very much similar to the human brain. Now what is the comparison between robot and human brain? Robot is able to take the logical decision. Now what is logical decision? Logical means it compares from one part to the other part. There is the computer choose the or selects the better part, like which is better, which one to pick, which color we have to select, where to try. So decision making skill is the combination, or you can say the word has emerged called artificial intelligence. In the next slide, I'll be elaborating on this topic. Nowadays, we all are using artificial intelligence nowadays, but today I will brief you. All people are also using artificial intelligence nowadays, but now you are unaware. Today I will be briefing all these things. Now moving on to the next slide. What do you think artificial intelligence is? Next slide. What is artificial intelligence? Making computers that think. For a time being, or we can say in the last decade, we were known of the machines like we were giving, please the sound. Like we were having some machines who were doing a particular thing. Like suppose that if we are using this mic, there is no artificial intelligence in it. Whatever the voice is being cast by this mic, it is just forwarding through a speaker. But if we will add artificial intelligence in this mic, you will observe that when I am taking or we are giving some space from this mic will automatically increase its volume by measuring that distance automatically. You might have observed in your mobile that when you are using a mobile in the daylight, you might have observed that it becomes bright. But when you use your mobile at the night time, you might have seen that the brightness of your mobile becomes low. Have you noticed this one? This is artificial intelligence. Means people who are using the machines, we are going to make such computers, or you can say such machines, who are able to think just like very much similar to the humans. Now moving on to the next slide. The automation of activities we associate with human thinking, like decision making or learning. The automation of activities we associate with human thinking, like decision making or learning. Now, what is decision making and learning? Decision making, this is very much similar to the comparison. Like, suppose that if you are going to launch an interview for a vacancy. Now, for the last few decades, what we were doing, we were writing all the things in pen and paper. But nowadays, we have developed such a programming that we use nowadays in our mobile to have the enhancement of decision. That means now your mobile, your computer is able to make the decision, or that machine is able to take the necessary recommendations or steps according to the circumstances or area. After that, by making a lot of experiments, one learning concept, we used to generate one learning concept based on things. क्या करते हैं? What is decision making? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एक्चुअली होती क्या है? आर्टिफिशियल जो मानव उसको बनाते हैं, प्रोग्राम करते हैं, वो है आर्टिफिशियल. जो भगवान बनाए हैं वो है नेचुरल. उसमें अगर मानव की तरह सोचने, समझने और तुलना करने की क्षमता को अगर हम किसी मशीन में डाल दें, दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. जैसे अभी हम लोग नोटिस करते हैं रात में, अगर रात में आप मोबाइल अगर आप चलाते होंगे तो आप गौर किए होंगे, आपका मोबाइल की जो स्क्रीन है उसका जो ब्राइटनेस है वो रात में क्या है, थोड़ा सा लो है. बट व्हेन वी यूज द मोबाइल इन द डे लाइट, the brightness of your mobile becomes more bright. Though you never touches it, आप मोबाइल को छूते भी नहीं हैं, ये ऑटोमेटिक होता है. Now what is that? It means some artificial intelligence is already present in your mobile that takes the decision और यू कैन से आप कभी भी अपने मोबाइल के ऊपर में कैमरा रहता है, आप उसको उस कैमरे के ऊपर में जैसे ही हाथ ऊपर फ्लोट करेंगे आप देखेंगे कि आपका मोबाइल बंद हो गया। जैसे ही मोबाइल आप हटाएंगे आपका मोबाइल जो है वो ऑन हो जाता है, स्विच ऑन। व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर is some feature being added called artificial intelligence. Some intelligence has been added into that machine, which is man-made. This is artificial intelligence. You all people are using artificial intelligence. Today I will be elaborating all these things. Next is the art of creating machines. The art of creating machines that perform the functions that require intelligence when performed by people. The art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people means there are some fields, or you can say there are some sectors where decision is required. In that case, some functions are there. Like what is function? Suppose that we are using this mic. One function is there, that is switch on and switch off. Right? So for each and every function we have to set a command. The combination of all commands, that is called function. Now see, what is that? The study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. Now I would like to elaborate this thing in the next topic. What do you think artificial intelligence is? Third slide. What do you think artificial intelligence is? आपको क्या लगता है artificial intelligence होता क्या है? Moving on to the next slide. Sorry, fifth slide. Goals. क्या है? क्या जरूरत है? What is the need? What do we use? Why we are using all these things? What is the necessity? What we will achieve? What we will retrieve by using artificial intelligence? Why this sector is nowadays becoming more popular or demanding in every field, from education, from industries, from lawyer till everywhere. Now, what is the goals of artificial intelligence? To make the computers more useful by letting them take over dangerous or tedious tasks from human. Number of examples are there that we are using nowadays relating to artificial intelligence. हम एक ऐसे मशीन की पद्धति की ओर जा रहे हैं जहां पर मनुष्य को किसी भी तरीके के खतरे या किसी डेंजरस चीज या लेजीनेस चीज या हेवी बर्डन चीज से टेक ओवर कर वो मशीन्स करेंगे, so that the human casualties would be much lesser than nowadays what we are doing in the last few decades by using the understanding the principles of human intelligence. Now moving on to the next slide. Artificial intelligence during movies. Now see everybody, please have attention please. Artificial intelligence in movies. Nowadays, if you compare nowadays Bollywood or Hollywood movies, and if you compare a movies of 70s and 80s, you might have noticed that the animations that we are using nowadays was near about zero in the 70s and 80s. A few weeks ago, one film was released. I'm not getting the name of that. I think some Brahmastra or some Karma film was there that has launched, or Ravana. Please go and see the trailer of that movie. Nowadays, if you want to enhance or develop the creativity of a movie, you have to use artificial intelligence through animations. The biggest example in artificial intelligence is Avatar. I do hope that you might have seen Avatar, the Hollywood movie. How many of you have seen Avatar? Only one. Any more? Okay, there are a lot of movies, their animations are there. Now what is animation, I'd like to know. See, one trailer we are getting nowadays in our mobile, that you might have seen that one movie is there, I'm not getting the name, Ravana or something is there. You might have seen Saif Ali Khan emerges in the form of Ravan and a number of heads appears. This is not possible to a human being in a natural form. But it emerges very much similar. The visual effect is so much designed in so enthusiastic manner. It gives the impression, it develops the impression of the movie in a very realistic movie, in a very realistic manner. आपको एनिमेशन जब मूवी में उसमें डलता है तो आपको ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि वो रियलिटी में ऐसा होता है। किसी भी चीज को देखने में अगर हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के यूज कर देंगे वो एनिमेशन बहुत ही डिजिटल होगा। आज के जमाने में बिना एनिमेशन और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के कोई मूवी नहीं बनती। Now moving on to the next slide. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that would require human intelligence. Example of these tasks are visual perception. What is visual perception? Everybody out here is using the mobile, right? Are you aware of face lock? What is that? Face lock is the recognition of your face in a 3D structural mode that captures in the mobile that is used as a password. This is artificial intelligence. Second, speech recognition. What is speech recognition? Nowadays we are using WhatsApp, Google, lot of apps are there. If you want to search any topic, you need not to type anything. Just pick up the mic or select the mic, speak some words or throw some word, it is already typed. How it is done? This is done by speech recognition. Means whole vocabulary has been added in your system. First, now what is the technique to use that? See. First, your voice is translated into your mobile in the form of analog signal. First listen this thing. Then one model is present that is called modulator and demodulator. The meaning of modulator and demodulator is model. It comes from modulator and demodulator. The work of this model is to translate or convert the analog signal to the digital and digital signal to the analog. The example of analog signal you might have seen heart beating. Heart beating is analog signal. But when an amount or a criteria is fixed, that is called digital. Now see, everybody is aware out here about binary number and our English, whatever the language we use. I would like to give one example that when we are writing good morning in WhatsApp, suppose I am writing in my mobile, how this message is being received by one of my friends. Now I would like to explain how this works. For each and every letter, like good morning, for G, the modem present in that converts the word G in digital signal. What is digital signal? Sorry, analog signal, or you can say machine language, that is called 0 and 1 binary number. machines understands only two languages, 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. For each and every digit or alphabet, one equivalent binary number is there. Then again, that mobile translates, or you can say transfer that digit to a tower. Through that tower, again it reflects or transfers that signal or data to the mobile in one of my friends. Then that modem present in my friend's mobile converts the digital machine language or 0 or 1 digit into its assembly language. Then one of my friends used to receive good morning. This is the process. This is the example of artificial intelligence. Whenever we used to speak or say speech recognition, when we want to search anything in Google, we simply have to click the mic button. It is already written there. You can choose Hindi, English, or whatever the language is there. Lot of languages are there. So this is called artificial intelligence. Everybody nowadays, we are using artificial intelligence. Actually, artificial intelligence, it is making our work very easy day by day. It is helping the human beings to make the work easier in every field. Translating between languages, everybody is aware of this. Like in WhatsApp, whenever we used to write anything like in Hindi, they can translate in English. They can translate in any of our desired language. These all are artificial intelligence. The machine that can think very much similar to the humans, not equivalent to human. Very much similar. We are trying very hard to get it achieved. But till now, we are on a working process. Moving on to the next slide. Real life examples. Now see. Number one is self-driving cars. You might have been aware of a word called Tesla. What is the why Tesla is much popular nowadays in the world? Because that car is having the facility of only one thing compared to the other cars in the world. That car is attached with artificial intelligence. Self-driving thing is there in that car. That car takes the authorization and connects with the Google Map and does the driving itself. This is the example of artificial intelligence. He compares, he looks, where is the obstacle, where is the bar, where is the lining, and proceeds according to the Google Map or whatever the map is there. So clear concept of GPS or GPRS is being enabled in artificial intelligence. Next is Boston Dynamics. Some techniques are there. Navigation system. Suppose that we are driving a car and we are unaware that, suppose that if you want to go to Patna from here and you are not aware which is the route to go to Patna. Simply what you do, you used to open the Google, then you proceed with Google Map, then you write the location or you type the location and you have to select the direction. The system present in the map automatically directs you towards the Patna. That you have to go left, you have to go right. How many kilometers are there? Suppose if you want to go in bike, what is the distance, what is the timing? If you want to go through a car or through a bike or through a walking, actually all these calculations are being done only and only by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence are making our work very easy. Chatbots, humans and computer games, many more. I will be elaborating all these things in the next event. This is very important thing, very important topic. We all people are using these things, but now you will be able to know where are these things. Weak artificial intelligence. Machines with weak artificial intelligence are made to respond to specific situations that cannot think for themselves. This is the most vital drawback of a computer system. Like, suppose this is a laptop. I am placed and this laptop is inclined. This laptop is unable to take any of its own decision. I am giving you one example. Now I am using this laptop. The battery is discharging with the time of sequence. But if a artificial intelligence would be added in this laptop, the moment the laptop will become in a low battery or will show the display of low battery, and the laptop will say, charge me again, charge me again, charge me again. You might have noticed in some of the cars, if you do not put the seat belt, if you do not plug in the seat belt, the car sounds too much with the voice called, put on your seat belt, put on your seat belt. This is the quotation that is being voiced in a car. This is the addition of artificial intelligence. It detects the error. It removes the error. What is being or eventually or unaccidentally that is being done by human. Artificial intelligence tries to make the positive or logical decision so that there should be error-free work. But one is drawback. That is called nowadays computer is unable to make its own decision. So scientists are working very hard, especially on the field of artificial intelligence, so that some of the work in which humans have to think, that work can be done by machines. Moving on to the next slide. Strong artificial intelligence. A machine with a strong artificial intelligence is able to think and act just like a human. It is able to learn from experiences. Since there are no real-life examples of strong artificial intelligence, yet the best representation would be how Hollywood portrays remotes. Till now, we haven't received the 100% artificial intelligence in everywhere. We are working on that nowadays, but now I think 10 to 50% we have evolved in our life the use of artificial intelligence. Moving on to the next slide. Machine learning. Now, there are two types of clarification relating to the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, what is artificial intelligence? Suppose this fan is moving or it is rotating. Some machine is working over here. Am I right? Am I right? Sir, please, am I right? Tell me please, I need a response. Sir, am I right? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that gives machine the ability to learn and improve without the help of humans or new programming. Now what is that? Now, you might have seen AC or you might have noticed AC in number of buildings. What is that? Can you give me an example of AC? Anybody? Now I will be briefing that. See. Suppose that one room is locked. The moment we enter in room, which is attached with AC, the moment when we will switch on this AC, first of all, that AC will detect the temperature of the room. After calculating the temperature, that AC will throw a blow of air, or you can say cold or hot, it depends upon the temperature, which is suitable for Indian environment. Actually, some reasons are also fixed there. After that, the room gets adjusted according to the atmosphere of nearby environment. Suppose if a room is much hotter and the temperature is, and the requirement of temperature is somewhere around 20 degree, which is the normal temperature of Indian humidity. I think so, sir. Sir, what is the normal temperature in Indian climate? Deepak, sir. What is the normal climate degree temperature in human climate as the Indian climate? 22 degrees Celsius. Now, suppose that if a room is locked and if the temperature is somewhere around 30 to 35 degrees, definitely it will be if a room will be locked. The moment you will switch on that AC will try to lower down the temperature of that room very much equivalent to 20 to 25 degrees. This is artificial intelligence. People don't have to change the area or temperature of AC. This is called automatic. We are also aware of the word automatic. Actually, there is no word automatic. There is a word called artificial intelligence. That machine has been programmed to make the logical, comparable decision to take itself. मशीन को ऐसा बुद्धि दिया जा रहा है, ऐसा लॉजिकल, तुलनात्मक उसको उस मशीन को बुद्धि प्रदान की जा रही है ताकि वो खुद ही तुलना कर पाए कि कौन सा डिसीजन बेटर है। इसको कहते हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ताकि मशीन मानव की तरह, मानव की सोच की तरह, मानव की तरह ही निर्णय ले सके। नेक्स्ट, फ्यूचर ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? यूज क्या होगा फ्यूचर? मिलिट्री फोर्स. नाउ वी हैव नोटिस दैट नाउअडेज war is going on in Ukraine and Russia. Though in that war you might have noticed that two kinds of war is going on. One terrestrial and one is attached with artificial intelligence. I'll be briefing these two parts. Number one, that one part is the traditional way that is being done by two countries, like using tanks and all these things. We are very much familiar and we are using all these things within 10, 20 years, 40 years like this. But if you want to get victory in nowadays war, you have to use drone. You have to use artificial intelligence attached camera attached with a drone, so that there would be humanless aeroplane that is called drone that is being attached with a camera that has the feature of artificial intelligence. What it does? It scans the area, it detects the human being and it targets the people which is enemy. This is artificial intelligence that is being used in war. Next is perfect lawyer. Nowadays, artificial intelligence has been merged in number of fields. I think you are also unaware of this part also. But not in India, but in foreign countries. If you talk about India, two kinds of lawyers are there. One is one party and the other one is second party. But we have also noticed in foreign countries that for a part of government, there is one artificial intelligence attached machine that fights that fights in support of the government. All the logical aspects, thesis, are being given by an automation manner. Music, business, healthcare. In future coming days, we will be able to get attached these artificial intelligence in these fields like military boards, perfect lawyer, music, business, healthcare.
Just like we take the example of Sahara sir, now at this time. Sahara groups.
Yes.
Yes.
Now see, mobile robot coordination. These are some of the examples of artificial intelligence. When we are driving any car, and if it is attached with artificial intelligence, what is the feature of that car? See, mobile robot coordination is there. That car is capable of detect the errors, like if any one of your door will be unlocked, it sounds the message, lock your car, or it says one of your door is open. Have you heard that? This is artificial intelligence. If you will enable one part is there called fuel, then there would be less part of fuel in your car. That car will sound you are having what is that called? Less fuel, less. So some sound is there, some message is there. I'm not getting that message. Actually, that car sounds too much by giving this message that your car is having low fuel or low fuel. Weather forecasting. Now, when you will open in your Google, if you want to know the weather, with the help of Google, you are able to know weather. With the help of this weather, you are able to know what would be the weather for the coming 10 hours, for the coming 10 days, so that human will be able to do their plannings according to the weather. How it is done? Actually, I would like to elaborate the method. The satellite, artificial satellite is being placed in the universe. That satellite collects the data from all the geographical locations of India. After that, by making a comparison data throughout the year, some weather is supposed to be in a particular date and particular month. But if there is some distraction in that data, that weather compares and rectifies that error and tries. Actually, it never gives the exact report. The artificial intelligence, or you can say the weather report, we used to get in an approximation manner. वो सही नहीं बताएगा. आप ऐसे नहीं सोचें कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या वेदर रिपोर्ट जो आप गूगल पे देख रहे हैं वो एग्जैक्ट है. It is based on probability. वो approximation के बेस पर है. ये एक तरीका का आप कह सकते हैं कि assumptions कह सकते हैं इसको. Yes.
How does Google recognize that the speed is very much cloudy? What is the reason behind it? Which kind of artificial intelligence is used?
Definitely. Now, cloudy. You want to know why this place is cloudy? Now, see, we are using mobile in our hand. We all people are using. Okay? Now, this mobile is used in a ground field. That number of mobile is attached with a company that is governed by the government. The government collects all your data based on the mobile's temperature. Your mobile detects the temperature of your surrounding, and if 1,000 people's mobile data would be collected, all would be gathered by the government, the government is able to put out or give an approximation based on a particular area of 1,000 people. Then data is being again translated, or you can say transferred to the weather department. Then the weather department prepares an assumption data and displays to the Google or wherever the format, or you can say platform is there. कुछ नहीं है, नॉर्मल है. आपके मोबाइल में जो आप यहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं, हर मोबाइल का एक अपना टेम्परेचर खुद ही मोबाइल में आपको दिखाती है. एक्चुअली वो डिस्प्ले वहाँ नहीं होता है. उसका टेम्परेचर बाय डिजिटल सिग्नल से वो सैटेलाइट को जाती है. सैटेलाइट 1000, 2000, 3000 मोबाइल का सारा डाटा कलेक्ट करती है. ऐसा मत सोचिए कि आप मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपकी डाटा आपके पास प्राइवेसी है. गवर्नमेंट के पास आपकी सारी डाटा की इंफॉर्मेशन है. Everything. When you click, when you touch your mobile, each and every data is being governed or being watched by the government. The government has the authority to see and verify. So likewise, it collects the general data. हम लोग साइंटिफिक एक्सपेरिमेंट या मैथमेटिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या करते हैं? हम लोग को एक डिसीजन पे नहीं जाते. We use suppose that हम लोग को कोई मान लीजिए एक लाइट का कोई फार्मूला है या कोई थ्योरम हमको निकालना है. First we used to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 experiments. Then we take out the average of that 5 experiment. तब उसमें हम लोग अप्रॉक्स रिजल्ट निकालते हैं. उसके बाद लास्ट ब्रैकेट में अप्रॉक्सीमेट लिख देते हैं. Same thing that is also being done in each and every field. हम लोग कोई एक एक्सपेरिमेंट पे किसी का कंक्लूजन नहीं निकाल सकते. ठीक उसी तरह रिजल्ट या वेदर की क्या है, हम लोग 1000 पीपल या 2000 पीपल या 10000 पीपल किसी एरिया को क्या है उसका डाटा को सर्कुलेट करते हैं, उसके टेम्परेचर का एवरेज निकालकर वो गवर्नमेंट उसको निकाल के उसको डिस्प्ले कर देती है. दैट्स ऑल वेरी सिंपल. ह्यूमिडिटी का काउंट होता है. ऑन दैट बेसिस we government used to display this kind of information. Any doubt? Right. Moving on to the next slide. Benefits of artificial intelligence. The most important purpose of artificial intelligence is to reduce
Bluetooth disconnected.
human casualties. Now what is human casualties? क्यों use हो रहा है artificial intelligence? Why we are using nowadays much more in compared to the last few decades? War. In war, we are using artificial intelligence so that human casualties would be much lesser, so that the machine would be able to fight, very much similar to the drones. The machine would be able to work in dangerous workspaces, like some factories are there where heat is there, electricity is there, where consumption is much more, or you can say risk is much more. In these kind of fields, we need artificial intelligence so that machines would also be able to take the logical decision according to that environment. पहले क्या था, अगर हम किसी मशीन को सिंपली अगर हम आग में डाल दें, कुछ नहीं करेगा, वो जल जाएगी. लेकिन या आप इस कंप्यूटर पे एक ग्लास वाटर अगर आप डालते हैं तो ये कुछ नहीं अपने आप को करेगी, खुद जला लेगी. लेकिन अगर इस लैपटॉप में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस अगर हम इसमें डाल देंगे, जैसे ही पानी इसके ऊपर जरा सा टच होगा ये ऑटोमेटिक बंद कर लेगी अपने आप को. जैसे हमारा दिस वन आईलाइट, जैसे ही कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हम पे थ्रो करती है, वी यूज्ड टू शट डाउन आवर आईलिड्स. वी आर ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड to implement this artificial intelligence in machine so that machine would also be able to take that decision. आज के जमाने में भी ऐसे कार बनने लग रहे हैं कि वो एक्सीडेंट्स नहीं हो रहे. उसके पास एक ऐसा टेक्निक उसको डेवलप किया जा रहा है कि जैसे ही वो एक्सीडेंट, आप पीछे आप देख रहे होंगे कुछ कार्स में भी ये दिखाया जा रहा है कि पीछे जब हम बाइक या कार को रिवर्स कर रहे हैं, जैसे ही 10 मीटर के जैसे ही क्लोज हम लोग आ रहे हैं, वो that car is displaying the warning bell. If the car is much closer to a distance or an object, that car sounds warning message. What is that? That car has the facility of artificial intelligence. Whenever a car is having a distance from an object less than you can say 1 meter, that car sounds a message that please be warned, something is there behind you. So it helps the car driver to park the car, to reduce the accidents, to reduce the human casualties in our life. Natural disaster. With the help of only and only due to artificial intelligence, we government are able to evacuate the area of a people that is supposed to have the flood, only and only because of artificial intelligence and the assumption based on probability. Cleaning, shopping, transportation, lot of options are there. Now moving on to the next slide. Now see. From the picture, please have a notice in the picture. See, mouse is there, cell phones are there, bottle is there, laptop is there, sports bar is there, lot of fields are there. Then now, attention please. Attention please. Next, from the next picture, you might have noticed. See, I would like to display all these things. See this picture. This is the ultrasonography, or you can say CT scan, that we use in our medical life. What is the technique behind that? The technique behind that is artificial intelligence. Actually, what it does, this ultrasonography, or you can say ultrasound, whatever the word you are familiar with, or CT scan, or in all these machines we use, this artificial intelligence. Now, how you use? See, this with the help of machine, we can't assume any of the machine, it will work by itself. If you want to achieve the 100% of artificial intelligence, we will be having two kind of combinations. One is machine learning and the second one is artificial work. अगर किसी मशीन में हम कोई इंटेलिजेंस का पार्ट अगर हम डाल दें, इंटेलिजेंस कहने का मतलब है जो लॉजिकल डिसीजन ले सके खुद की बुद्धि पर, very much similar to the humans, that machine is able to have the ability of artificial intelligence. These all part of our assumptions. जैसे माइंड का या ब्रेन, whenever a CT scan is there, the picture which is being displayed right over here gives you the assumptions of a brain in 3D diagram, or you can say 2D diagram, but nowadays 3D diagram is much in use. Next, please have a look in this picture. This is the most vital part which is used nowadays in traffic. Suppose a thief is running, or suppose that if a car has made any kind of accident in a road, and if that road or if highway is being attached with any kind of artificial intelligence attached CCTV camera, that camera is able to recognize this number, and with the help of this number the government would be able to rectify within a moment what or which car or who is the owner of this car, and within a moment a fine is being imposed to that person. Till now it is not in use in India, but in foreign countries, if you cross a limit of 100 kilometers, you will get a message automatically in your mobile. What is the fine and what is the cause? You did not, or nobody has to go anywhere. You will get the message of fine automatically in your mobile. This is artificial intelligence. We are taking a part, or we are taking the use of artificial intelligence to reduce our work, our burden, our laborious work. Moving on to the next slide. Intelligence service everyday life. Post office. Automatic address recognition and sorting of mail is there. In banks, automatic check reader signature verification system is there. Automated loan application classification is there. In telephone companies, automatic voice recognition for directory inquiry is there. Now, for telephone companies, I would like to have one app that is called Truecaller. Everybody we are familiar of that. Was it possible for a last few decades to detect who is the owner of a particular number? But nowadays we are able to recognize if we use Truecaller or the app which is very much similar to this company. We are able who is calling. We are able to detect the person who is calling. This is only because of artificial intelligence. Government is not providing the data. I am saying how the work is being done. See, I am having a mobile. I have a contact of 200 or 250 person. Some name is there, I have saved it with them. Now you are also having a mobile, you are having a contact, also having a contact of 250 or 500 people. Now that contact data is being collected by that app. And my data will also be collected by that app. And if third person used to call that the name that you save in your mobile is being displayed in his or her mobile. So this is artificial intelligence. In this way, we are able to rectify or determine who is calling. If we talk about another part, we are unauthorized to detect the caller of a number. But if we use the artificial intelligence in the form of like Truecaller, number of apps are there, we are able to nowadays we are able to recognize who is calling, who is not, which is unauthorized, which is spam caller or unidentified callers. We are able to recognize all these things. Credit card company is there, automated fraud detection is there, computer companies are there, Netflix is there, Google is there. Moving on to the next slide. Artificial intelligence. Now see, automation planning and scheduling. Autonomous rovers. Robot has been sent in Mars and few years ago by India. How it was working? It was working only through the help of artificial intelligence. Moving on to the next slide. Artificial intelligence. Hello. Artificial intelligence that is used in telescope scheduling. For a person to see in sky in a regular manner is totally impossible. But I would like to have one example. Are you aware of motion detector? What is the work of motion detector? The work of motion detector is very much similar to artificial intelligence. Till if any object could not move from a camera of that motion sensor, that machine is an inactive mode. But the moment if any object moves through that machine gets activated and records the desired thing that is being moved from a camera. This is called artificial intelligence. When we add artificial intelligence in any of one of the camera, we can use it as motion sensors. The way we work or we use in our mobile. Next, analysis of data. Now I will be briefing the artificial applications. Now, in medical field, see, this is the picture that would elaborate medical field. Applications, medical field. See, from a picture it is very much clear, no surgery has been done. From the picture you can see that no surgery is there. With the help of machine which is artificial intelligence attached, that machine is able to rectify or you can say to detect where is the problem in a human body without doing any kind of surgery. Nowadays, machines are able to find out the minerals inside our earth without making a drill or digging any kind of land. This is artificial intelligence. Now, how artificial intelligence is done? This is done by a number of calculations. Whenever number of calculations are there, when your machine is attached with human intelligence, though machine will never be able to compare, or you can have a fight with human, but there are also lot of drawbacks, but I will be elaborating all these things in the coming slides. Image analysis and enhancement. Transportation, pedestrian detection. See, when a CCTV is there in your area, and if that CCTV is having the facility of motion detector, see, this kind of image is reflected. Why? Because it is attached with artificial intelligence. Games. Next, this is also games. See, you used to play game. To whom you are playing with? Actually, you are playing with a computer. The computer who is able to play with you to based on artificial intelligence. The computer is able to make a decision. Then only that computer is able to play with you. Chess. Next slide, sir. Chess. See. जब हम किसी कंप्यूटर में चेस खेल रहे हैं, हम खेल रहे हैं, हम इस गोटी को मान लीजिए यहाँ से यहाँ पर है। कंप्यूटर कैसे डिसीजन लिया कि मेरा ये जो है ये यहाँ जाएगा या यहाँ जाएगा, ये यहाँ कैसे जाएगा? जब मशीन में हम किसी लॉजिकल पार्ट को अटैच कर देंगे, वो लॉजिकल डिसीजन लेना चालू कर देगा, तब वो कंपेयर करेगा, then the machine will be able to take the logical decision, और ह्यूमन की तरह कुछ हद तक सोचकर वो क्या है अपना डिसीजन लेकर तब वो आपके साथ खेलता है। पहले हम लोग क्या पढ़ते थे कंप्यूटर में? ह्यूमन खुद का डिसीजन ले सकता है, मशीन खुद का डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता है, लेकिन अब मशीन खुद का डिसीजन ले सकता है थ्रू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। Next slide. Robotic toy is there. Next slide. Area of artificial some dependencies are there. Now, see. Now I would like to wrap up all these things from all these slides. Do I need to have a revision of all these things? Any question from artificial intelligence? Any question related to artificial intelligence? I'd like to have some of the questions.
How it will be helpful for a student?
Yes, definitely. Once some fields are there. Nowadays, we all people are aware of Alexa, right? If you want to know any of the question, we have to search in Google. But if Alexa or any device which is attached with artificial intelligence, and if any kind of command is given to Alexa, I'm giving example of Alexa. Alexa is not only one thing, lot of objects are there. If you will ask any question with Alexa, then and there Alexa will reply you of any question. So if a student is having any kind of query or question relating to any subject or any topic, that Alexa is capable of giving the answer to a student. The Alexa is capable of clarifying all his doubts. पूछने से सब होगा। Any question?
Sir,
Please.
last question. ये स्टूडेंट को कैसे हैंडल करें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? तो कहने का मतलब है सर कि किसी भी स्टूडेंट में सर नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस है, सारे स्टूडेंट में नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस है, वो जहाँ तक अपना तार्किक क्षमता है उसके पास वो एनालाइज करता है सर। कहने का मतलब है सर कि जितने भी टीचर हैं उनके पास कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है, वो एक्सपीरियंस वो स्टूडेंट को बताएंगे। जैसे अभी जस्ट लाइक सर एग्जाम्पल किसी भी टॉपिक को पढ़ाते हैं तो हमारे पास सर हम अवेयर तो उस चीज़ को स्टूडेंट के बारे में बताते हैं, स्टूडेंट को बताते हैं सर उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो हमारे पास जो भी कैलेक्ट डाटा है हमारे माइंड। तो वो क्या है कि अडॉप्ट करेगा। तो जो नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस है सर, और हम लोग के द्वारा जो दिया जा रहा है क्लास में जो भी कंटेंट, तो कहने का मतलब है वो सर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, वो अपने से एनालाइज नहीं कर पाया उस चीज़ को। तो ये सर कहने का मतलब है कि हमारे पास जो भी कलेक्ट है डाटा, वो हम स्टूडेंट को थ्रो करेंगे और उसको लर्न करवाएंगे कि कैसे ये चीज़ हो सकता है। तो ये यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेशन इस चीज़ का है, यहाँ तक मेरे समझ से।
Now, talking about students and teacher thing, I would like to have one example. One SpaceX camera is there. आप लोग कभी देखे SpaceX कैमरा? नहीं। ये टाइप का गूगल कैमरा होता है, यहाँ पर बड़ा सा ऑब्जेक्ट लगता है और पीछे से स्लाइड कवर्ड रहता है। आप उसको प्रोजेक्टर की तरह आप उसको अडॉप्ट कर लीजिए और आप जो भी देखना चाहते हैं, जहां पर भी जो देखना चाहते हैं, you will be able to imagine yourself that you are standing just in that any other place. Suppose if I am teaching anything like nationalism, or if you are teaching or any other teacher is teaching about pyramid, and if that camera or if that Google, is being attached to a student's eye, that student would be having much more clarity if that student is taught through textbook. वो स्टूडेंट साक्षात पिरामिड के सामने खड़ा होकर दीवार एक एक दीवार पर अपने अपने हाथ को एक एक चिन्ह को देख पाएगा। दिस इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। थैंक यू। एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस?
नो सर।
Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to brief on the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you, Neeraj sir, our STMC sir of GS Public School, for giving me the opportunity to have a brief on artificial intelligence. Thank you once again to our principal ma'am and director sir and everybody out here who gave their valuable time for this session. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Sonika sir. Today you have given us such a briefly topic, artificial intelligence. It is very important for students because nowadays all the society and the public are going on the artificial intelligence because every organization and the industries are working on the artificial intelligence. We are seeing that in the industries, they reducing the manpower and they are focusing on the machineries item because they will run on the some programming such as when I went for such a training program when I was a student in where Heavy Engineering Corporation, and where I have seen that a huge amount and huge machineries, they are working on the CNC programming, computer numerical controlling programming, and all the machines are working whatever the program given to the and whatever the instruction given to the machine, they will cut on their shape. Each and every machine there has only one man, not a huge amount of crowd there. Only वहाँ पर सिर्फ एक या दो व्यक्ति ही वहाँ पे काम करने वाले थे। उन्हें CNC प्रोग्रामिंग के द्वारा वो सारा मशीन जो है प्रोग्राम किया हुआ है और जो लर्निंग, टैपिंग, कटिंग जो भी काम है वो मशीन खुद ब खुद कर रहा है। So when we are talking or discussing about the artificial intelligence, we technically depend and we improve the technology. For that, we can say we teacher also support our student by helping in such a smart class what is the artificial intelligence, how it will work, and this way we can make our student in learning. तो हम लोग ये भी कर सकते हैं कि बच्चों को हम जो भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो भी सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है उससे रिलेटेड, तो जो भी टेक्निकल व्यू से जो तकनीकी है उससे रिलेटेड उसे बताएं। जैसे कंप्यूटर जब हम पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, सी प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में बताएं, C++ के बारे में बताएं। यदि हम साइंस पढ़ा रहे हैं तो हमारा जो भी उससे रिलेटेड जो भी टेक्निकल चीज़ है उसके बारे में बताएं। यदि हम ज्योग्राफी पढ़ा रहे हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड जो भी टेक्निकल वस्तुएं हैं या जो भी स्पेस में जो हो रहे हैं उसे हम वीडियोस के माध्यम से या अन्य किसी माध्यम से उनके सामने रखें, ताकि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं आने वाले समय में अभी से वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को समझ सके। क्योंकि पहले के ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि मनुष्य जो है मशीन को कंट्रोल कर रहे थे, लेकिन अब क्या हो रहा है, मशीन मनुष्य को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं। जैसे CCTV वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो बस मनुष्य पे निगरानी रख रहे हैं, वो कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं आप किधर जा रहे हैं, क्या काम कर रहे हैं। इसी तरह की हर चीजों देख रहे हैं जो आज के डेट में हम लोग मशीन इंसानों पे हावी ज्यादा है। आज हम लोग पहले हम लोग मोबाइल को हम लोगों ने बनाया था, आज मोबाइल हम लोगों को कंट्रोल कर रहा है। हमारा 6 घंटा 5 घंटा समय कैसे बीत जा रहा है, ये चीजों को हम लोग बच्चों को सिखाना है कि कैसे मोबाइल्स या टेक्नोलॉजी का सदुपयोग करके हम जीवन में और भी टेक्निकली या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को अपने जीवन में ला सकें। So thank you Soni Chandan sir, you have given us such a marvelous topic, artificial intelligence. Once again thank you.